Welcome to KZ Auto Hub. In today's video, we're delving into an incredible custom Toyota Fortuner, reimagined in a stunning black color. This isn't just your typical Fortuner. It's been modified and built to the highest standards, and we'll explore every detail, from the design to the powertrain and interior features. We'll be diving into everything this black beauty has to offer, giving you an in-depth look at why this SUV deserves all the praise. Buckle up as we go through this detailed review of the Toyota Fortuner like never before. The Toyota Fortuner is a vehicle that has always had a strong presence on the road, known for its rugged capability, reliability, and overall appeal. But this customized version has taken it to a whole new level. As soon as you lay eyes on it, you're struck by the aggressive styling and sleek bodywork. The wide body kit has completely transformed the Fortuner's silhouette, giving it a much more muscular and dominant appearance. The low, wide stance of the vehicle exudes confidence, making it stand out among a sea of ordinary SUVs. One of the key features of this customized Fortuner is the set of large modern rims that have been paired with low-profile tires. This upgrade not only enhances the aesthetics of the vehicle, but also contributes to its performance. These rims give the SUV an unmistakable sporty flair, and the low-profile tires provide improved handling and cornering ability, ensuring that the Fortuner is not just about looks, but also precision on the road. As we move to the front of the vehicle, it's impossible to ignore the bold grille design. Toyota has always been known for creating aggressive front fascias, and this customized Fortuner takes that even further. The custom grille features a sleek design with intricate detailing, designed to grab attention from the moment you approach the vehicle. It's paired with LED headlights that are both sharp and modern, offering excellent visibility during night drives while adding a futuristic touch to the overall look. The front bumper is also designed with performance in mind, featuring large air intakes that enhance both the look and functionality of the vehicle. Now let's take a closer look at the side profile of the Fortuner, which further emphasizes its wide stance. The flared fenders and side skirts add to the vehicle's sporty nature, while also improving aerodynamics. The extended wheel arches give the car a much bolder look, enhancing its road presence and adding to the dynamic feel of the car. The tinted windows provide an added layer of privacy and style, blending seamlessly with the rest of the design. The panoramic sunroof offers a great touch, letting natural light flood into the cabin while enhancing the feeling of openness and freedom. The custom black paint gives the Fortuner a refined yet aggressive aesthetic. The sleek, high-gloss black finish reflects the light in such a way that the vehicle seems to change its appearance depending on the angle you're looking from. It's a timeless color that adds a sense of sophistication and performance to the SUV, making it not just an off-road monster, but also a luxury vehicle capable of turning heads wherever it goes. Inside the cabin, the customization continues. The interior is done in premium black leather with contrast stitching, offering an exquisite blend of style and comfort. The seats are designed with both form and function in mind, providing comfort for long drives while maintaining a sporty feel that matches the exterior of the car. The dashboard is sleek, with a minimalist design that incorporates high-tech features and a clean layout. The central touchscreen is large and easy to navigate, giving the driver access to all necessary functions, from navigation to media controls and vehicle settings. One of the standout features of the interior is the ambient lighting, which sets the mood in the cabin and adds a sense of luxury. The lighting is customizable, allowing the driver and passengers to select the perfect tone for any occasion. The digital instrument cluster adds to the futuristic feel of the car, displaying essential driving information in a clean, easy-to-read format. There's also a host of advanced technology features such as voice commands, a premium sound system, and even wireless charging for your devices, ensuring that this Fortuner is as technologically advanced as it is stylish. But we're not done yet. The performance of this customized Fortuner is nothing short of impressive. Underneath that stylish exterior, you'll find a powerhouse of an engine that delivers incredible power and torque. This vehicle isn't just about looking good, it's built to perform. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rough terrains, this Fortuner has the capabilities to get you where you need to go with ease. The suspension has been fine-tuned to ensure a smooth and stable ride, while the low stance and wide body kit improve handling and cornering, offering a more dynamic and engaging driving experience. This customized Toyota Fortuner is equipped with advanced off-road technology, ensuring that it's just as capable in challenging environments as it is on paved roads. The combination of rugged design elements and luxury features makes it a perfect vehicle for anyone who loves adventure, but doesn't want to sacrifice comfort and style along the way. In terms of performance, this customized Fortuner offers an exceptional driving experience. The handling is responsive thanks to the low-profile tires and sporty suspension that improve the SUV's cornering ability and overall stability. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating tough off-road trails, this vehicle provides confidence in every turn, and the driving dynamics are nothing short of exceptional. This Fortuner's interior is just as impressive as its exterior. Inside, you'll find a spacious and luxurious cabin, with plenty of room for passengers and cargo. The seats are ergonomically designed to offer the utmost comfort, with high-quality materials that elevate the overall feel of the vehicle. Whether you're embarking on a long road trip or just heading out for a quick drive, the Fortuner's interior provides an experience that's both comfortable and technologically advanced. Another key feature of this customized Toyota Fortuner is its safety and driver assistance systems. Toyota has always been known for its commitment to safety, and this Fortuner is no exception. With features like blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control, the Fortuner ensures that you and your passengers are safe no matter where your journey takes you. Now that we've covered all the amazing features of this custom Toyota Fortuner, it's time to wrap up today's review. We've explored its bold new design, stunning black color, aggressive stance, and cutting-edge interior technology, but ultimately, it's the combination of all these elements, style, performance, comfort, and safety, that makes this SUV one of the most exciting vehicles on the market today. Thank you for joining us here at KZ Auto Hub. If you enjoyed this in-depth review of the Toyota Fortuner, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automotive content. We've got more amazing cars, reviews, and custom builds coming your way, so stay tuned. Until next time, drive safe and keep enjoying the ride.